Well, it's alive. So, first up, as you can see, we're using the decoder that it came with. Now, it does have an identification mark on it, but I still can't figure out exactly what it is. This thing is really old, and it says AHLX 20. Wait, it says AH120FXLP. And so this thing is old enough, and I checked online to see if I could find. I found one reference to it, but still doesn't tell me what it is, and it's so old the JMRI does not detect it properly. We've got it to work, but we don't have lights. And what I'm asking you guys to do is, some of you know how to do this guy in JMRI and what I should detect it as, because there's no reason why the light shouldn't work. But other than that, we got control of it, so we can actually run this thing. I got a little squeak in here I got to figure out. But see, you hear that little squeaking? Yeah, that. We got to figure that guy out. Oh no, he's gonna do that again. Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go switch that thing. He comes back. He ain't supposed to come back. There we go. Now, let's try him again. And then he's gonna go off the track right there. He ain't supposed to go that way. I got that chain dragging, which I'm gonna hook up again. But otherwise, what I'm hoping is one of you guys is going to know what decoder this should be detected as and programmed in JMRI. Because right now, we've only got, alright, that squeak. We'll figure out that squeak. Something is squeaking around at the same time. Well, what? Okay. Yes, now we have split that switch again. We do not want to do that. Oh. Yeah, we'll figure that out. Somewhere somebody here is either not, everybody should have grease on them. We'll figure out. I think it's that rear truck does not have the grease it's supposed to have. But anyways, I got control of it, and it works, but we got to figure out the lights. And so I have it detected as I manually selected DH140 from Digitrax. Although I suspect I've seen something where it was called a DH165, and that's not an option, at least in my version of JMRI. But I still think that you guys will tell me a better model to put in JMRI so that we can get the lights. Just the only function that it really has. I'm going to figure out that squeak. We'll get that squeak worked out. We ain't supposed to have a squeak like that. But there it is. We got it working. Now we can if we can get that detected right, our lights should come on, and we should be good to go. So, tell me in the comments, what decoder is this, and what should I select in JMRI so I can program this thing the right way?